The presence of insects such as woodworms, moths, or termites on wooden furniture can be an annoying problem and, if not addressed in time, can cause significant damage. In this article, we will explore the differences between these insects, identify signs of infestation, and provide practical tips on how to eliminate them and protect your valuable wooden furniture. 1. Identification of insects, woodworms, moths, and termites. Woodworms. These tiny beetles are known to leave small holes in wood as they feed on it. Learning to recognize its signs is crucial to addressing the infestation. Wood moths, in their larval phase, can wreak havoc on wooden furniture and structures. Discover how to distinguish them from other pests and how to prevent their proliferation. Termites. These social insects can cause devastating damage. Learn to identify its characteristic tunnels and take preventive measures to avoid future infestations. 2. Signs of infestation. Holes in the wood. Small holes in the wood are a clear sign of woodworms. Look closely to determine the extent of the infestation. Fine dust. The presence of fine dust around wooden furniture could indicate a moth infestation. Tunnels and galleries. Termites create tunnels and galleries in wood. Inspect the furniture closely for these telltale signs. 3. Methods to eliminate and prevent infestations. Chemical treatments. Explore the different chemical products available on the market to eradicate unwanted insects. Be sure to follow proper directions and precautions. Natural control. Discover natural methods to control pests, such as the use of essential oils or the introduction of beneficial predatory insects. Sealing and protection. Learn how to properly seal your wood furniture and apply protective coatings to prevent future infestations. 4. Tips for continuous maintenance. Regular inspections. Establish a regular inspection routine to detect early signs of infestation. Proper storage. Learn how to store your wooden furniture safely to avoid exposure to conditions that may attract these insects. Repair and restoration. If your furniture has already suffered damage, discover repair and restoration techniques to restore it to its original splendor. Protecting your wooden furniture from woodworms, moths, and termites requires knowledge and timely action. Follow these tips to keep your precious furniture in excellent condition and free of pests. Discover how to eliminate these threats and preserve the beauty and durability of your wooden pieces.